Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala Rasulihil Ameen. Our children love to fast. A lot of mothers, fathers, sometimes they tell them not to fast. That, oh, you're too young, you will get sick, blah, 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 and this and that. And subhanAllah, I have seen 5 or 6-year-olds also fasting. And many communities, actually, they have special celebrations when their child fasts the first day. It's actually a very cultural event, but subhanAllah, it goes hand in hand with the Islamic values and traditions that we should celebrate whenever our child, whenever our daughter, son, gets into something very good first time, like the first day they start reading Quran, the first day they start fasting, or the first Eid for that matter, inshallah ta'ala. You know, first Eid when they really know what they're doing, like the Eid of the year that they started fasting, maybe half Ramadan or first Ramadan or 2 Ramadans or 2 Rawzas, 2 Sawms, subhanallah. So my brothers and sisters, I actually always leave it up to the child. How about that? If a child wants to fast, don't discourage him to fast. Make sure you feed him good. Okay, don't apply all the food restrictions that you apply on yourself. Do let them eat. Let them have a good sleep during the day. If they have school, tell them, do it conditional. If you feel like hungry, break the fast. Because Islamically speaking, before the age of 7, absolutely no. Between the age of 7 and 10, it's recommended to train them. Then 10 plus, it's recommended that they should now start fasting, because Prophet ﷺ made the similar rules for prayer also. And prayer and fasting go hand in hand as part of our 5 pillars of Islam. Wallahu a'lam.